Welcome. If you want to use one-hand mode in your SONY Xperia L4, let's go for the settings. Then move to the display, click on the advanced, scroll down a little bit, tap on the one-handed mode. Let's enable it. And right now, if we double tapping the home button, we'll be able to enter the one-hand mode, so let's try it. And here we are. With this arrow you can change it from the left or the right side, and if you want to excite, you have to use the enter arena outside, and of course you can here work like on the full screen. That's it guys, thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.